to my channel. My name is Kyla Latrice and I am back with another video. I don't have as much energy as I do in other videos because I am sick. I caught a cold in Atlanta, and so yeah, this is what you get today. But I did get out of bed to record this video, so that says a lot. That says I'm dedicated to my channel. So when I got home from Atlanta, I realized that I had some boxes to open. I had a lot of boxes to open. So I'm just gonna unbox this. Well, I already unboxed everything, and I was like, you know what? I probably should have did a video on it. I believe I did a video on this in my vlog, but I don't remember. And I was like, you know what? I just want to make this like a video within itself. I just want to make this a video by itself, so that's what I'm doing today. I'm making it a video by itself. So this is the Brooke Nation hair growth oil. It's made with organic and all natural oils, and the ingredients is jojoba oil, olive oil, ylang ylang oil, mint oil, tea tree oil, rosemary oil, eucalyptus, vitamin E oil, and lemon extract. And let me tell y'all how I got put onto this oil actually. Okay, so she messaged her name is Brooke Nation, right? She messaged me on Instagram and she was like, hey, you know, try my oil. We're located in different places and things like that. And I love supporting Black women just in general, especially if they come at you correct, because I've had some girls DM me like the rudest of DMs, like not even greet me, not even say hi, how are you doing, hey, or they'll just be like, buy my stuff. And it's like, bitch, blocked. Because no, I'm all about support, but I'm all about respect at the end of the day. Like, no, you're not gonna DM me and just tell, hey, buy my stuff. No. I want a greeting. I want to, you know what I mean? Like, no, don't just send me a flyer to your link and think that's, no. It's all about how you approach people. You get what I'm saying? So I really liked her approach, and I seen that she was in some different stores and things like that. And I was like, she's only 22. Let me, hold on. Let me, see what, I was like, you know what? Okay, I'm gonna follow her and I'm going to see what she's about before I buy, because that's what you want to do. You want to do your research before you buy a product, right? So I went ahead and followed her, and then I seen she has some knotless box braids, right? And she used this oil for her whole journey, and within 4 weeks her new growth was crazy. That's what I like to see. I like to see when people use their own product, because it's like, if you don't use your own product, and if I don't see your hair growing with your own product, that's a red flag to me. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, that's how I met her. That's how I found her. And she was in Georgia, so I'm like, I don't know if she's from Georgia, but she lives in Georgia. And I was like, okay, let me, you know what, let me go ahead and see what she talked about. So with that being said, this is how we're here. She had a sale. This oil is originally $15, but she had a Black Friday sale, and I went ahead and got it for Black Friday. And I got this oil for $10 plus shipping. I think I paid like $12 for this oil or something like that. I don't remember. But so this is it. Brooke Nation hair growth oil. Oh, okay, it smells really, really good. I can definitely smell the lemon in here. I did use this one time in my vlog, but I couldn't really smell like that because I was all congested and shit. I don't have COVID. I can still taste and all that good stuff, so don't come for me. But now that I'm not congested, I can smell it, and it smells really, really good. And I'm really glad I have these braids, so I can just put it throughout the braid. sometimes I get self-conscious when I wear braids like this, because it's like, do I look like a boy? You get what I'm saying? So I be like, you know what, let me take these down. But I was like, nah, I'm gonna just leave them in. Like, if I look like a boy, I look like a boy. So, oh well, I could rock it. But yeah, I'm gonna put this throughout the scalp. But this stuff definitely smells really, really good. So this is day 2 of me using the oil. And yeah, it applied really, really nicely. And I like it. This for $15 is a go for me. So next what I'm going to do is apply my Olaplex bonding oil to the ends of my hair, because they've been in a bun. Where's my scrunchie? I want to show you how my hair has been. It's been in like a bun, you get what I'm saying, type situation like that. Well, y'all probably didn't even see that, but my hair has been in a bun, trust me, and it's dry. The ends are dry, so I just want to put a little bit of oil, Olaplex oil. I could use the Brooke Nation oil, but this makes my hair shine. It gives my hair some shine. So for today, I'm just gonna leave them, and I'm gonna put these on the braids. These two oils together smell really good. Hold on, cause what we doing? What's happening? Like I said, if I sound congested, please just don't say nothing. Okay, so now I'm gonna do a little bit of edge control. Because I don't know, this makes me feel like a girl. Cause dudes don't be laying the edges. You get what I'm saying? So this just makes me feel like a woman. Cause if not, I will feel like a little boy. And I don't need that. I'm already sick. So I want to feel some type of confidence. You know how when you sick, you just don't feel like it? Like that's what I feel. I just don't feel like it. Don't ask me what I don't feel like. I just don't feel like it. You know what I'm saying? I just don't today. Like, I really just don't today. Okay, come on. I need a little sideburn or something now. Gotta have me a little sideburn. Cause if I don't know. I'm just so used to doing my sideburns. When I don't have them, I be feeling weird. Okay, so I'm gonna go get my... Actually, we're gonna use one of these. Right here, boom. When you sick, you don't have energy. I'm sorry. Okay. And I have a lot of videos to do today, so this is how we gonna be today. Until my edges set. But yeah, y'all, I really just wanted to show y'all about my Brooke Nation hair growth oil, because it smells really, really good. And I know that it grows hair, because her hair, that girl's hair is down her back. That girl's hair is possibly longer than mine. Probably. So yeah, I really do want to put y'all on. I'm not gonna say go buy it yet, because I'm doing my hair journey, but I do want to show y'all like what I'm gonna be using in my hair. If you know if you're not new to this channel, you know I've been using Benta Beauty for a long time, but I'm finally running out of it. Ugh, ew, I need it to blow. Anyways, I'm finally, okay, this knot is too tight, like loosen, thank you. But yeah, I'm finally running out of it, and I want to try something new. Not to say that Benta Beauty does not work on my hair, but I wanted to hurry up and try this. So yeah, Benta Beauty, I still love their stuff, and they have a sale going on as well, I believe, for Black Friday. So yeah, keep up with me using my Brooke Nation hair growth oil, because this is the oil that I'm going to be using. I'm probably going to alternate between Brooke Nation and Benta Beauty because I have a little bit left. But yeah, Benta Beauty is the truth. Y'all know I put my mom onto Benta Beauty. I put my brother onto Benta Beauty, as well as one of my friends. And I think my cousin bought it too. I'm not sure. I have to ask her how her hair growth journey is going. But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I will probably leave links to where you can get this oil and her Instagram as well. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace.